Well, hello everyone. Thank you for joining me here once again at Float Arts by Elsa. Thank you for being here today. I appreciate all of your support. Don't forget, if you're new watching, click the subscription button. Also, click the notification bell. That way you're notified anytime I have new content. Thank you so much. And I'm going to show you the two dry paintings from my previous videos. They've dried fully and I am super happy with the way they turned out. So the first one is the titanium buff and the turquoise. Check this out. Look how gorgeous this turned out. Look at the shine of that 24 karat gold and some of the pearl paints that were here. Absolutely gorgeous. If you're interested in this piece, email me at elsasgallery@gmail.com. It is a 12 by 16 inch canvas. So that's the first one. The second one I'm going to show you is the previous one with the light colors and the white base. So this one has also dried and look how beautiful it is. I love how bright and airy, how flowy it is. Look at that. Tell me what you think about this. I love it. Again, if you're interested, email me. So those are the two paintings for today. And the painting that we're going to go ahead and get started doing today will be these same colors on a black base, like I said in my previous video. So the same color scheme on a black base, and we'll see how that turns out. So without further ado, meet me down at the canvas. So hi everyone, we're here at the canvas and we are going to go ahead and get started. Once again, this is a 12 by 16 inch canvas. We are flooding with Flow Acrylic Black by artist Loft. Okay, we're going to go ahead and get started. Okay, perfect. So the canvas has been flooded. And if you remember, I started with the Oriental Violet by Pebeo. This time I'm going to switch it up and I'm going to put the Pearl Violet at the bottom, only because the pearls reflect better or come through better on the black base. So I'll do the reverse, okay? So we're going to go ahead and get started here, and we are doing Pearl Violet by Amsterdam. Next, I have Oriental Violet by Pebeo. My next color is the Pearl Green by Amsterdam. And then the Permanent Green Light by Amsterdam. My next color is Pearl Tangerine Orange by Arteza. And next is Azo Orange by Amsterdam. Next color I have Pearl Red by Amsterdam. And now I have Cadmium Red Hue by Winsor and Newton. Next color I have Pearl Yellow by Amsterdam. And that is followed by Nickel Titan Yellow by Amsterdam. And we're almost there, guys. Next color is Pearl Pink by Arteza. And topping that one is Quinacridone Rose Light by Amsterdam. Okay. So a reversed, I put the colors down in reverse here. I'm gonna go ahead and torch it out. And we're gonna go ahead and get started. Gorgeous. I love the cells popping up over here. Beautiful. I'm just bringing it in a little bit here because I don't want the colors touching. Okay. All right. I'm just going to torch it out a little bit. And I'm going to let this one dry, see how it turns out. Can't wait to see this one. All right, guys. So let me clean up my edges. I'll bring you in for a close-up. Okay, everyone. So here she is. And look how gorgeous it is. Look how those colors pop. And I'm sorry about the glare, but we're going to be coming in. Look at those cells in the black here. That means I blew in at a bad angle and the paint went under the black, under the base. But it created a cool effect, so I'm not concerned with that. I'm okay. Look how beautiful these colors just shine through. They just pop. Absolutely gorgeous. Take a look at this as we're going up and branching up to the petal at the top. Look at all the colors there. Beautiful, beautiful branches and burst of colors. And then this petal right here, look how the colors come through. And these colors here, I think are the pearls. I can't wait to see how those turn out. And look at this cool effect here coming down the side of the canvas. So there she is. Leave a comment in the comment section below. Tell me if you like this painting, this color palette. Tell me if you like the blowout. Leave a comment in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching Floral Arts by Elsa. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.